That is so dangerous.
All right, fly camping at Wachula. Got my brand new Pap Tinox 1500 here with me today. First flight. A little nervous, haven't flown in a while. We'll see how she goes.
Are you giving it gas?
Well, you know what? You know what? I didn't even put gas in my motor. I was rushing to get in the air with you. Oh. Yeah, we went and messed with the low needle thinking it wasn't right, and I had no gas in the damn thing. So I messed up a factory setting. Alright, this is actually my second flight on the new motor. I just took the first one about 25 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. Landed, found out my camera wasn't on, so that was nice. And I made a mistake setting up for the last flight. Forgot to put gas in the motor. So I messed with the low needle before my dumbass checked the gas tank. So now I had to tweak that, but appears to be running good again. Alright, nice reverse launch. Third flight on the new motor. Got sunset coming. It's a little rowdy, not gonna lie. great weekend.